Anywho, so we're playing Among Us. And I'm gonna teach you how to get imposter every round when you're playing. So first you gotta go to free play, random the map, and then you go to the computer, so hit be imposter, and then leave, and go to an online game. If you're forced, just ignore it. It's annoying, yeah, I know. Don't mind the background noise, it's just my little cousin, Kylie.
Someone touch mommy shovel.
Okay. Okay. Just ignore him. Wait, what? So now that we picked it, now we wait for the game to start. Doesn't work as being a imposter at first. Don't mind it, it'll work. Seem cool. It'll work at some point. Let's just do some tags. What tags should I do? Oh, this one, right. Oh yeah, but on for a day. There we go. Mean fun. Let's get some wires. Wire here, wire there, wire there, and wire there. Hurry up. I should do this now, and one husband been say, I'm the first we go, laughing all the way to the house, I'm the toast one, making spirits bright up. Laughing all the way, I'm about to win. Okay, don't mind that one. Oh wait. Go.
Do you guys want to have a sleepover in the living room with your mattresses tonight?
Yeah, sure.
We can move the couch out here and then put up nothing but mattresses.
Sure.
I'll sleep over too.
Yeah, in the living room. And I'm making cinnamon rolls with apple filling and the cream cheese stuff right now. So it'll be good.
Okay.
Can I grab some of their presents?
Alright, let's do this tax, baby.
Ew, that's a disgusting mummy. Stop it.
Is that your homework?
Well, why don't you show your class my other
You drew that stuff? That's not good.
Oh, come on. Want this again. Oh, wait. Here we go. Let's do this. We can pause at some point anyways. Don't mind. Just keep on tasks. Okay. Task completed. Lower fuel engines. Oh, wait. Tax. Every. Okay, for the tag. There. I might be quiet a lot in these videos because I like to be quiet when I play games like this. Alright, Talos. Where are these freaking tanks? Don't chase me. Don't be chasing me. I almost got killed. What the heck? What the heck is love? What the heck is love? Come on, where are these dang tanks? Oh, shoot. Divert Powered Communications. Don't just be coming at me. Looks like Kuwait's gonna win. Emergency meeting already. Hey, what do you think, guys? Comment down below. I was in the middle of doing the text. Oh. Nothing, I just want. Do we end this the game? You can't just chat. Ooh. What a superstar.
What do you need? Oh, Val. Did you dye your hair? Yeah, I dyed it a while ago. Where is it? Is it white?
Yeah, I agree with him. Yeah, he was fine.
So it's white now.
Yeah, and then you yelled at me for bleaching your hair.
Yeah.
He's following me.
I just said the red of my brain.
Your guy's following me.
Oh, yeah, girl.
Vote him off. Vote him off. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, powder pump.
I'm gonna draw somebody else.
So let's not do pasta.
I'm gonna cut my face a little bit.
Yeah. What is that?
It's face.
Foxon left the game. Okay. What the?
Those are not.
Don't mind the yelling. It's just so long. You don't know.
Nostrils and deliverables. They are nostrils.
Yo, all my followers think I'm doing it on purpose. I actually can't draw.
No, like dead
Just put get it sticky. I'm oh shoot. We're gonna leave this over. This is annoying. Alright, Halos. That's it for today. Bye.